In this video, we will review Tooljet. Tooljet is an open source low-code platform designed to help simplify building and deploying internal tools. It allows users to create web applications, dashboard and workflows with minimal coding effort, thanks to its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. One of its standout features is the integration capacity, supporting a wider range of databases, API and third-party services. This makes it easy to pull data and connect with existing systems without any heavy back-end systems or coding. However, while Tooljet is a powerful application, due to some limitations, its customization and scalability, the open source nature is significant and an advantage for teams looking for a cost-effective solution. Those who require enterprise-level support or advanced features might find the premium offering lacking in comparison to more mature competitors. Overall, Tooljet is a solid choice for teams needing a quick build functionality without having to learn how to code, though it may not replace your full stack development. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.